Hello and welcome back to the August update from the TauNet team. And it's the marketing and business team update. So without further ado, Kilian, over to you.
Thanks, Fola. Hi, everybody. So this month I started off with exploring resources on brand strategy, positioning, UX writing, and persuasive communication to sharpen our approach. And as a result, I crafted a tone and style guide to bring more consistency and clarity to how we communicate. I also continued working on the TauNet article, this time shaped by the new tone and style tailored specifically for the blockchain audience. Fuller and I also created a job ad for marketing and brand strategists to help us expand the team. I've also been researching how to better understand our target audience's perspective, which is crucial for resonating with them more deeply. Um, Together with Igor, I've also formulated a content calendar to help us ramp up output, but it's still work in progress and will likely need some more refinement before launching it. I've also started getting more involved in online communities related to Tau, helping us build awareness among targeted audiences. And lastly, I've started mapping out TauNet's core USPs, focusing on clearly articulated high-impact use cases to further make clear to a broader audience what we are doing and what the profound implications and benefits of what we are doing are. Thank you.
All right, awesome. Thank you so much, Kilian. And now let's take it over to Igor for his update for this month. Over to you.
Thank you, Fola, and hello, everyone. So this is the update for myself. Basically, as always, every month, pretty much some of the tasks are the same, but I need to be consistent with that, which is keeping up with the date with the new updates on the WordPress plugins, things that we use for the websites, and basically making sure that all is operating properly and up to date. We also had to reinstall and actually add another firewall settings to our TauNet webpage. So this is currently live and working properly. And as always, we have the monthly updates and thumbnails to make. I created those as well for this month too. Last but not least, I think this is the most progress that we made during this month is that we were working on the content for our homepage, but also on the design of the homepage. Currently, you can see it that the homepage of the TauNet website is live, and we also had to readjust some of the other stuff we wanted to show on this webpage. And we are also working on an additional page called Worldview. This is going to be active sometime, maybe next month. We still need to figure out some of the content that we want to show and basically push it live. One of the also good things that we did, Paul and I had a call with the brand identity agency. We had a couple of calls that we discussed about how Tau should be framed and what things we need to do and take care of. And we are still in touch with them. We are yet to see how we can progress with that because we also have another company who is interested to discuss with us the same thing we discussed with the previous one. So we'll see what's the best case scenario for us, and we're gonna keep it up as always, like every month. So that's pretty much it from myself. Thank you.
Awesome stuff. Thank you so much, Igor. So from my side, I have been working with Kilian and Igor on what they've been working on, and yeah, it's been very insightful. There's been some updates to the website, as Igor's mentioned already. We are going to be fleshing it out as well, really focusing on the aspects of code versus spec and the way we do it as well. So you're going to get a lot more information there, and the ability to learn and communicate these ideas with friends and really just share this with whoever you want on the socials as well. And it's going to be a lot easier to digest than content that you might typically see. So it's going to be heavily applied to what we do, but you'll also see a lot of the benefits in the way that we handle spec and synthesis. So alongside that, I've also been working on the hiring aspects that you might have seen me mention in the Q&A. We are going to be bringing on another team member on the Tao language side. I'm also looking for another team member on the marketing side to really just bring everything together, really maintain our brand identity and the verbal identity that we're crafting now. And really just make sure that our socials and the communication that we have and all the work that we're going to put into our launch is as impactful as possible. And so we're working on all these things to really make sure that we nail the target. So yeah, that pretty much wraps it up for me on the marketing side and the business side. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one. You can follow us on our socials. That is Tau_net on X or Twitter. That is TauNet Agrs on Reddit. And that is TauNet on Telegram. Cheers. Thanks. See you soon.